What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today I'm hitting a mid-sized stream for some wild fish. It's mostly wild browns in here. There are holdover rainbows as well, and browns. It's not amazing as far as numbers of fish, but they're enough to keep you happy. Biggest thing right now is it's windy. It's about 38, 39 degrees, so it's not like it's like freezing, but that wind kind of sucks. So I'm just gonna be chucking a spinner around. I don't think I'll be able to get away with a trout magnet too often here. But I should be able to get some fish, usually do. So stay tuned, got about 2.5 hours to knock this out. Oh, that was a fish. Just got my first hit. It's been a little bit of a struggle here to start. Not catching fish in my normal spots, which is always concerning. It's also very windy. Starting to break a little bit. I hope it dies down. He's on it, he's on it, he's on it. Followed it the whole way to my feet. So that's the third fish I've seen since switching to a trout magnet. I'm just at this point dealing with the wind and stuff. The spinner wasn't getting anywhere, so I've missed two now and had one follow. There's a fish on it. Got him. Nice. Chased it the whole way out there. There we go. First fish of the day. All right, first fish. Beautiful little brown. Finally on the board. There's one. Nice. It's a brownie. All right, this is better fish. It's fat. All right, so there we go. Nice wild brown. He's plump, that's for sure. I'm really trying to make the spinner work. I ran it through there like 6 or 7 casts, nothing, and throw the trout magnet in, get a fish. I got maybe an hour of daylight. Ooh, that was cool. He chased it down, swung on it. That was sick. Nice fish. There we go. Holdover stocky, I believe. Yep, I think it is a stocked fish. It's also been caught before. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a bruise there. I believe he's stocked. He might actually be wild looking at him now. But he's definitely been caught before. There we go, getting on him a little bit here, just in time. see that? The fish just came up as I was reeling it in and just tapped it. I don't know why I couldn't hit it as I drifted it through there. Just spent about 6 casts through there. There we go. Nice. Thought there had to be something laying in here. I usually get a few fish out of this pocket. Another little wild brown. There we are, another one. You can probably tell by the camera, it is getting darker. I gotta head back soon, but I'm trying to pull out a couple more fish for you. Taking 2 more casts through here, and then I am out. All right, no buzzer beater fish. But hey, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm heading out. It wasn't amazing numbers wise, but for 2 hours or so of fishing, not terrible. Just based on my expectations of the creek, it was a little bit low, but hey, it's not too bad. Hope you enjoyed it anyways. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you here next time on SC Outdoors.